Ooh, hey girl, hey, welcome back to another wig video. So today I am installing this leave out wig. Oops, did I say leave out? I meant lace frontal wig with edges, girl. This wig is a game changer for sure. One thing about this wig, you're not going to have to worry about blending baby hairs and trying to make sure the lace don't look crazy. Like, this is going to be your wig that you put on and go. Alright girl, so to jump start this install, I am going to be blow drying this hair straight because it is a lot of hair with a lot of texture. So this is the 𝐤𝐤𝐢𝐠 texture, and of course it has like these little small crimps in the hair. But basically, like I said, I'm just going through with a blow dryer to help dry the hair and also to give it a more straighter look. And of course, before we actually install the wig, I want to show you girls what this hairline is looking like. Now this wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, and of course these beautiful edges that I have really begun to love on my wigs. Definitely a game changer for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and hot comb the edges, or not the edges, but behind the edges on the wig, just to get a more straighter look and to also know what I'm working with this particular wig. So yeah girl. And this is what the hairline looks like after. Again, I applied the heat behind the edges because I did not want to disrupt the texture on the edges. So here I'm just pulling out some of the edges on the wig so you can see what it's giving, and it's definitely giving leave out install. Look at that. Yes, RPG hair never fails the girl. So of course I'm going to be doing a bust down middle part for one of the looks in today's video, just so you girls can see how this wig looks with a middle part that I'm going to get into the bun a little later. So one thing I have grown to love with this type of wig that has like these beautiful natural edges on it is the simple fact that it gives a very natural install without having to swoop baby hairs or do like all the extra stuff that comes with a lace install. And I also love that the lace lays really flat with these natural edges. So it's basically giving like a put on and go type of wig, but it looks so much like your hair. So for this particular install, I wanted to put my hair in a ponytail as well as a bun, because on a normal day with my wigs, I normally have them in a ponytail or a bun, but I do have to, work on the lace and the baby hairs and, make sure I ain't looking too damn crazy. But I love with this wig, I don't have to really do all that. And look at how beautiful the lace blends into my skin. Look at the natural baby hairs. So another thing that I love about RPG hair is their hairline and their lace. Like, I have not cut the lace on this wig and it blends so good into my skin. Their lace is a true HD lace where it is literally invisible. Like, you can see right here as I'm pulling up the lace, that's the only way you're able to see that this wig had lace on it. Otherwise, it literally blends into my skin. So that's definitely a plus when you're shopping with RPG hair, is they're going to give you a pre-plucked hairline and a super invisible lace. And of course, 𝐤𝐤𝐢𝐠 texture is on the fuller side. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit more heat just to get the hair just a little bit more on the straight side. Nothing too crazy, because I definitely want this texture to stay in this hair, which is more like a full blowout look. And especially like for my ponytail and my buns, I like for my buns to look super full, so I definitely don't want this hair to be silky straight. And so real quick, I want to show you girls what the lace and hairline is giving, just doing a straight look. It looks super natural, and it definitely looks like I just blow dried my hair. And of course I had to try this wig in a ponytail because the edges was just giving too much of a natural vibe. Like, look at that, y'all. You literally would think this wig is growing out of my scalp. Just how invisible the lace is, how the hairline is plucked to perfection, how the texture is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig in a ponytail because I definitely feel like it's only right with all of the perks with this wig. So yeah, girl, I am going to tie my hair down first before I secure this ponytail because I did not use any type of glue. Now the spray that I use is a holding spray, but I don't think it's strong enough to hold like putting your hair in a pretty snug ponytail. So that's what I'm going to do right here, and then I'm going to wrap my hair in a little cute fluffy bun. Y'all, this wig is so perfect, especially when you just want to do like a messy look and you don't want to have to worry about lace or baby hairs. This wig is just, girl, it did it for me. The lace, the hairline, the edges, like everything gives natural vibes. Like, you cannot tell me this wig is not growing out of my scalp. Look at the texture, look at the edges on this wig. And the lace is gone, girl. Like, no lace is visible whatsoever. So RPG hair is definitely going to always give when it comes to the invisible lace and the pre-plucked hairline. So make sure you check out that description bar because this is definitely a wig that you need in your collection because the edges on this wig is just literally unbelievable. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.